you?
Well, how are you?
Good, good, good. I figure that's the best spot in the house right there, so whoever wants it, you know.
It was like a little wet down there to sit like that.
So yesterday was spectacular. We made our way into Colorado the night before. We hauled butt the whole way across to Colorado from Orange County and camped up at 12,000 feet, and it was spectacular. We woke up in the morning. We got in kind of late, about 11 o'clock, so we didn't really see how beautiful it was going to be till the morning time. And we camped around 12,000 feet at this little lake, and it was absolutely stunningly beautiful.
One down.
Tell you what, it was a good way to wake up there. Got up in the morning time, packed up camp. It looked like it might rain, so we were a little concerned because we were going to be doing Black Bear Pass. We started on the trail, air down, and Black Bear Pass is great. It's an interesting trail to do with gladiators because they're so much longer. They're a good 15 inches longer than the JKs and JLs on the wheelbase. So those switchbacks were absolutely crazy in how we got around them. Multi-point turns to get around them, and you're right on the edge of the cliff and driving those tires right to the edge on the front one so you can then back it up on the hills. On the side. Okay, passenger. Hard. There you go.
Imagine being in that house with that avalanche came down.
Getting the 4 gladiators down down Black Bear was a task, to say the least, because they are big. Taylor's one, his is pretty wide. All of them are on bigger axles and of course bigger tires. But Taylor's axles are 72 inches wide, and he's running 15.5-inch wide tires on top of that. So those were some narrow shelves for him to be on. So we went from Silverton area across to Telluride. We want to be camping every night, so we decided to take IMOGENE Pass and head over to Currie. Probably about 20-30 minutes away from Currie right now. Today, after we pack up camp, we're going to have a lovely breakfast here. Then we'll make our way a little bit further down, back towards the Silverton area. But, you know, we're not really on any schedule. We're on our own schedule. We didn't want to plan it out so that we're trying to get from point A to point B to point C, D, etc. Every single day. We figured it would be a lot more fun for us to, you know, wake up kind of when we wake up, and you know, most of us tend to wake up kind of early. I'm usually up around the 5:30, 6 o'clock. Slept in today till almost 7. We're going to make some breakfast and then we'll start heading out. But yeah, obviously stay tuned and enjoy the video footage you guys are going to be watching.